Hi, hello everyone. In this video, we are going to see about the HTML background adding, which means the background color adding, and then the icon symbol adding in our web page or web browsers or in our company portal page. So normally, this is the main structure of your HTML for adding the background color and icon symbols. So for adding an icon, we need to use a link rel is equal to icon href equal to your image, what image file we are going to use, and the image type. Hereby the rel relates, which means rel in the sense it is your relation, then href is your hypertext reference. Then second one, for changing the background color, we are going to use a bg color as an structure links tags. Then the bg color is equal to choose your color, which means the color what we are going to give, and style is equal to color, choose your color for testing. Hereby we can define the background color and also the text what we are going to use as a content. That content color can be changed through a style text. Let us see one example of it. Now I am going to use a link rel is equal to icon. So I have mentioned that it will comes as an icon. So I am using the icon symbol, which means icon elements. So within that href, which means hypertext link reference element, I am going to mention the image what I am going to use, and also the properties of the image also need to be mentioned in here. So my property of my image is jpg, that also been confirmed. So in body of the content, I have mentioned the background color as a blue, and style, which means the text style, need to be in any other color as we defined. In addition to that, I'm going to mention some of the emojis in here, which means I'm going to add some of the emojis in here. So I'm just searching in Google as a emoji. So right now we can add an image, and also we can add an icon in it, and also we can add a emoji or a small images within our paragraph or a body content. So I have directly copied the emoji from the Google, and I am pasting it in our heading, which means within our body content. One more image I am just copying down. So now all the images are been copied and I have pasted it in our body content. Further, I am closing the angular bracket what I have opened in the top. Here HR in the sense drawing a horizontal line. Images, see, I am adding one more image in it. After adding the image, I am just mentioning the image type, and also as an alternative I am giving the description for a image. So right now I am mentioning the width and the height of the image also. As I have mentioned in the earlier videos, if we are giving any unit for the parameters of width and height means that will be mentioned as per our defined value. If we have not given any units for our parameters, after that width is equal to 200, I have not mentioned any units, so it will automatically takes the default unit as a pixel. So after completing all the structure formats, I am about to save the file in a HTML format. So now I am going to view the file. So as per my execution, the file is viewed, background color changed to blue, and also the content word is changed to pink, and also the emoji what I have copied, that also been replicated, and the image also been added with specified pixels, which means specified width and height. Then further, right now I'm aligning the uh, images and everything in a center. So I have aligned the wordings and everything in a center. Let us execute one more time. Sorry, I have not mentioned that my sorry to not mentioning, actually my icon symbol is replicating on the top of the page. What icon I have chosen that is been replicating over the top of the page. So this is the icon what I have said in the page creation title. So my icon is now coming and my emoji is also coming. Then my image also came with a precise structure. So this is all the basics of page creation, which means adding of a link, adding of image, icons, emoji, everything can be made through HTML. Hope you understand. I think so. See you in next video. Have a nice day. Nandri. Vanakkam.